cyfle. Fan hyn i Llansawel, Mae Walkley eto, Chris y Coch yn ei amgylchynu. Ewi yn fynd i hun. Gormod o'i gwmpas, yr ergyd ddim yn bell yn y pen draw.
O, so bydd nath i'n dda iawn fan hyn, oedd y cyffyrddiad gyntaf gyda'i chest jyst i agor y cael lan, a wedyn jyst cyffyrddiadau reolaeth agos iawn, a jyst yn symud y bêl, trafod y bêl yn dda iawn, jyst i ffeindio'r bylchiad bach. Dim digon o cwyrdeb tro yma.
Gibbard, edrych am Hughes nawr, mae Rosie Hughes yn glir. Fel arfer mae hyn yn golygu un peth. Arbediad campus gan Young a Hughes o bawb yn methu cyfle clir.
O, waw, am gyfle. A tro gyntaf mae wedi gwneud rediad mewn tu nôl hefyd. Digon o cyflymder gyda hi, mae fe jyst yn mynd bach yn styc fan'na, a wedyn y cyffyrddiad bach sydd yn digwydd oddi ar. Wel, just clean hi mwyn i gyn nhw. Oedd hi methu cael y pêl o dan reolaeth mwyn i gyn nhw beth. Oedd hi mwyn just cael e lawr i'r llawr, a chi'n gallu gweld wedyn mae'r pêl yn dechrau redig i ffwrdd.
Pencampwr y de yn efo'n pencampwr y gogledd. Dim ond un sy'n esgyn. A mae'n ddisgwrdd i Rosie Hughes fynd y rediad. Cryf arall, Young ddim yn cyrraedd na, mae'n gyffyrddiad, mae'n gol, mae Wrexham di taro. Yn sydyn, mae Pritchard wedi taro, Rebecca Pritchard yn cael y cyffyrddiad lleia sydd yn bosib yn sicrhau'r eiliad fwyaf i Wrexham.
A dyna pan fel blaenwyr chi'n cael eich dysgu i wneud y rediad ar draws y bos yn flaen. Chwarae teg, chwarae dda iawn gan Hughes lawr yr asgell fan hyn. Penderfynol iawn, cyflymder eto. A wedyn fel ni'n gweld fan'na, rediad ar draws y postyn flaen. Perffaith o ran y dysgu fel blaenwr a jyst y cyffyrddiad lleia yn cymryd i ffwrdd o Young.
A nawr mae Wrexham ar meddiant y bas. Mynd drwodd yn y pen draw, braidd yn ffodus, wedi cyrraedd Rosie Hughes. Hughes sy'n mynd amdani, toro'r bar o bellter. Ail gyfle i Hughes, ond i ddim i fod. Cic gol fydd hi, yn hytrach na gol.
O, am ergyd. Mae jyst yn cael y gwaglen o flaen hi. Pigo lan i ben. Ergyd ar berig. A beth mae'n ein yn dda yw actually dilyn mewn y bil. A wedyn, chwarae teg, Rydens yn ein yn really dda. Bod Hughes i curo hi'r bil. Fysa'r gol yna wedi bod yn gol berffaith i selio'r fuddugoliaeth.
Curl, drwy'r canol, os na gyfle hwyr, Molly Jones yr eilydd, Jones, i Llansawel! Am arbediad! Gan Delyth Morgan, blaen troed yn unig. Ac ai dyna'r arbediad sy'n danfon Wrexham i'r brif adran. Yw Llansawel yn gallu cipio rhywbeth. Yn hwyr. Dyma hi, yr eiliad ola i Llansawel ar y targed, mae'n taro'r bar. Walkley mewn yn oddi ar y linell. Davies yn clirio.
Wel, am ddrama, ond am arbediad. Un yn gyntaf gan Morgan, a wedyn Phoebe Davies unwaith eto oddi ar y llinell.
Mae'r champagne allan cyn i'r cwpan gael ei godi hyd yn oed. Nawr mae'r cwpan yn cael ei godi. Codi cwpan ac esgyn i'r brif adran. Mae yna deimlad o gwmpas Wrexham bod unrhyw beth yn bosib y dyddiau yma. Maen nhw wedi dioddau, wedi bod ar ei gliniau, ar y dibyn. A nawr, maen nhw'n hedfan i'r uchelfannau. Dyrchafiad cyn y dynion.
And congratulations, I can see you're emotional.
Absolutely, you know, all the hard work over the last year has been worth it, you know. I don't think we were at our best today. You've got to give Britain Ferry a lot of credit. I think they you know, we rode our luck a lot, and Dell, to be fair, you know, has kept us in the game with all them saves there, but the scenes at the end there is what it's all about. That's why we do it.
The last couple of minutes, though, Steve, they were unbearable for you, weren't they?
Absolutely, yeah. It's not nice for the old blood pressure, but, you know, you've got to give the girls credit. They've dug in, but got to say, a lot of credit has got to go to the goalkeeper. She's made some unbelievable saves towards the end, and it's a lot of character that the girls have shown to dig in and get the win and get us over the line.
But we've come here, fought first half, 0-0, we fought, and then obviously I think just at the end I've managed to save that ball, get it into Bex, and somehow she slip it into the back of the net. And as you can see, obviously, we're all delighted, so happy, and look at, we've made it to the top 12. We won 12 league games out of 12, and now we've just gone and beat South Wales League to make us into the top tier.
Yeah, Rebecca, only goal of this afternoon goes to you. Can you tell me what was going through your head at that time?
I was just trying to get a toe in it. Like, she put a perfect ball in, and I didn't even see the ball go in the back of the net, to be honest. I was facing the other way.
I think she just felt everyone fall on top of her.
You know, look at what it means to these girls. It's fantastic.
I think the emotion that I saw from you there on that final whistle and during that presentation just encompass what it means and what a journey these girls have been on as well?
Yeah, I'd say so. It's just been, it's been several years, as I mentioned, of hard work, and just to see what this means to us all. And as you can see, when I'm stood there crying, it was a fantastic feeling and a fantastic achievement for these girls that we're going to be playing Adran Premier next season.
We put in such a graft today, and fair play, but very absolutely fantastic team, best team we've played all season. And we were defending most of the game, but it just shows the way football is. You need one chance and you take it. You get the game, you get the win.
You need one chance and take it, but you also have to make some remarkable saves, and you certainly did that this afternoon.
Yeah, the one at the end, I had no idea that was so close to the end. I didn't realise just how important it was. It's just, I don't know, I have no words. It's just amazing. Everything's amazing.
Up to the Adran Premier for next season, the promotion is a special, special occasion today.
Yeah, absolutely. It's everything we've been working for the past 2 years, really. We missed out on the last day last year for the league. We blitzed the league this year, and we fully deserve this.